This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
Plato's Republic develops the concept of the types of knowledge. The primary division of Plato's classification is the division of knowledge into sensory and intellectual knowledge. The first category of knowledge, sensory knowledge, is perceived as a lower type, and intellectual knowledge is higher. Intellectual knowledge is divided into thinking, noesis, and reason, dianoia. By thinking, Plato understands the activity of the mind alone, free from the admixture of sensuality. By reason, Plato understands this kind of intellectual knowledge, in which the subject of cognition also uses the mind to understand sensible things. Sensual knowledge Plato also divides into two areas, faith, pistis, and likeness, eikasia. Through faith, one perceives things as existing and affirms them as such. Likeliness is no longer a kind of perception but an intellectual action with sensory images of things. According to Plato, feelings cannot be the source of true knowledge. He considers knowledge as ability or even power, the most influential of all that a person possesses. Closely related to these differences is Plato's distinction between knowledge and opinion. The opinion is neither knowledge nor ignorance. It is vaguer than knowledge, but more precise than ignorance. It is in between these two categories. Unlike opinion, knowledge is a potency, a special kind of existence. I understand Plato's distinction between opinion and knowledge. Opinions can be both true and wrong, and their true value can fluctuate. Socrates, the protagonist in Plato's Republic, suggests creating an ideal city as a model for regulating the individual soul. The city's guardians must be moral and unselfish, living modestly and communally as soldiers do in their camps. Thus, according to Plato, people who have a moral and intellectual approach to governance issues should govern a just republic. These people, in their decisions, should rely on knowledge because only it can provide them with an accurate perception of reality, free from feelings. The opinions of modern politicians, such as, for example, Joe Biden, influence the decisions made in government, which, from Plato's point of view, is not acceptable. The mental activity of the head of state should be aimed at comprehending eternal questions, not the current and changing world. Did you like this Plato on knowledge and opinion sample? To get more works like this one, make sure to check out the database of academic paper examples at ivypanda.com. You will find thousands of samples for all your study needs.